Welcome to Draw at Home with Tupperberry Art. I'm Miss Kimberly, ready to draw a leprechaun's hat with you this St. Patrick's Day. So let's get started. And remember, everything starts with basic shapes. So the first thing you're going to do is draw an oval just like this. Then draw two long lines that come in on a diagonal. So they come in a little more narrow. And then draw one more oval. It's got to be a little bit bigger than the first one. You see this curved line at the top? Right there? We're going to take that same curve and do it near the bottom. They need to match. Take that same curvature and add one more. This is the ribbon around the hat. We've got a rectangle coming up. And then do a small rectangle inside. As you can see, this is the buckle. Now is a good time to erase the lines you don't need. So we're just going to get rid of those lines inside that ribbon. Now you don't have to do this next line, but if you do, it'll make your hat look a little more two-dimensional. I'm adding a parallel, a matching line underneath that last one. So now it's time to color. I want you to grab 2 or 3 shades of green and follow these rules. The first one is I am going to put all the light color or the lightest shade you have on one side of the hat. So take your light color green and fill in the side closest to the sunshine. Remember to pause the video and work at your own pace for coloring. But now our next step is to take your darkest shade of green and on the opposite side of the light color, we're going to fill in with a dark color. Now if you only have 2 shades, you can make sure those colors match each other. But if you have a third color, wait for that final option. And now I'll use my final color, my medium color. And if you're using colored pencils or crayons, remember to blend on top of the other colors beside it. Don't just place it beside it, blend over top. It will smooth out your colors and have a way cooler look. And now it's time for the belt buckle. And just like the hat, take at least 2 different shades. Put those down. The light part first and then take the darker color. Throw in a little yellow on the brass buckle. And that's it. That's it for your hat. So remember to be creative. You can add a fun background or take the hat and add it to another little figure or character. You can come back and do more drawings with me. So thank you for watching this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you liked the video. Keep drawing and I'll see you again.